How you doing? So does James. You want to DJ? Ah, well, I'm going to show you today how to load sound effects into your sound effects module, your button module. So I'm going to show you. Go up here to your category window. Normally, your playlist is going to look like this on your everyday use. But you have this category window up here, or content window. Yeah, excuse me, categories. And we want to go down to content. After content, you'll see a bunch of other windows. Go to your sound effects. Double click that. You have sound effects all. Double click that. That will bring up all your sound effects that are in your relay radio module, button module. So, what we're going to do now is add something. That's what I'm here to show you. Hit add the plus button. Okay, here you're not seeing this, but I hit the plus button and an Explorer window pops up. And I'm going to hit libraries and I'm going to hit music folder and it shows my relay radio folder, all my music, my liners, which where all these are. And I'm going to hit my sound effects folder and I'm going to pick one out of there and to add it into one of these buttons. So I go ahead and click OK and it adds and it added it in here, but it hasn't showed up yet. So what we want to do is hit refresh. Bam. Let's see. Hopefully it did. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it.
Excuse me, how can you tell if these melons are ripe?
Can you tell me if these are ripe?
Oh, could you tell me if these melons are ripe?
Well, I don't know if your melons are right, but I just showed you how to load sound effects into your FX folder. Let's try and delete them once we don't want it. Let's try that, right? Let's scroll down and let's try just highlighting it. Right clicking. Can we delete it? Remove? We can remove it. Remove from all. Delete physical file. I don't know if we want that. Let's just try the one choice, right? See the one or the other. Remove from all. Ooh. Yeah, we want to. It says, "Are you sure you want to delete the song completely from the media library file?" So that's not. Yeah, we'll go ahead and delete it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it deleted it. Delete the button. Let's hit the refresh again. Right. Okay. Okay. So apparently it took it off. So, let's do another one just to make sure. Remove from all. We'll just say, we'll delete. No, we don't want to delete this from hard disk, so we'll cancel. See, there's two options. It'll say remove, right? And it's remove from all or delete physical file. So you just want to remove from all because that doesn't delete the physical file. So there, and then don't forget to hit refresh, and there, I have showed you how to add sound effects, right? How to add sound effects and how to delete sound effects in your SAMS sound effects button module. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. This is new for me. I'm training. This is my first OBS video, so maybe I'll get all slick and fancy and all that someday. But until then, hope you liked it. Hope you learned. And enjoy. I hope you enjoy yourself. Have fun DJing, because that's what it's all about. Have a good day.